When you're working in a small space, it's easy for the image to feel flat and uninteresting. With just the room light on, everything looks dull and lacks character. So I turn all the lights off and start from scratch. Darkness gives me a blank canvas to work from. My first step is adding the key light. This creates shape on my face and directs attention where I want it, but on its own it still feels a little incomplete. To add depth, I bring in a backlight. This highlights the shoulders and separates me from the background. Even then, the frame still looks a bit flat, so I switch on my PC speakers, which glow blue. This adds a bit of colour to the scene. Finally, I'm going to put my RGB light behind the monitor and set it to orange. Combined with the blue from the speakers, it creates a classic teal and orange contrast, which adds cinematic colour and mood. Now I've noticed that the colour on my face is too white, so I changed the settings to give me a warmer look. This is a before image, and this is after. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please feel free to leave any questions, advice or tips in the comments.